Ever wondered why Python is one of the most loved programming languages worldwide? This adoration stems from Python's simplicity and readability, making it a top pick for beginners and pros alike. But don't be fooled by its simplicity. From data analysis to web development, AI to machine learning, Python's versatility spans a broad spectrum of applications. So whether you're dipping your toes or diving headfirst into the world of programming, Python is a solid choice. This video aims to guide you through the basic building blocks of Python. Python is an interpreted, high-level, general-purpose programming language. This brainchild of Guido van Rossum saw its first release in 1991 and has since become a favorite among programmers worldwide. Now you might be wondering, what sets Python apart? Well, for starters, it prioritizes readability. Python's syntax is designed to be intuitive and human-readable, which means you spend less time deciphering code and more time solving problems. Simplicity is another of Python's strong suits. With Python, complex ideas can be expressed in fewer lines of code compared to many other languages. But perhaps one of the key features of Python is its use of whitespace. Indentation in Python isn't just for aesthetics, it's a requirement. This enforces a clean, uncluttered style of coding. And finally, Python is an interpreted language, which means it runs directly from the source code without needing to be compiled first. Python's simplicity and readability make it a great choice for beginners. Setting up Python on your computer is as easy as 1, 2, 3. To begin with, navigate to the official Python website. Once you're there, you'll see a big yellow button that says Download Python. Click on it, and it will automatically detect and suggest the best version for your operating system. After the download is complete, run the file to start the installation process. A setup wizard will guide you through the rest. Make sure to check the box that says Add Python to Path during the installation. This will make running Python from the command line much easier. The installation also includes idle, the default Python editor. It's a simple yet powerful tool to write and test your Python code. You can access it from the Start menu if you're using Windows, or the Applications folder if you're on a Mac. And there you have it. You've successfully set up Python on your computer. Creating your first Python program is a milestone worth celebrating. Let's dive right in and create a simple yet fundamental program, one that's become a timeless tradition in the world of coding, the Hello World program. In Python, this program is as simple as it gets. It's just one line of code. Here it is. Print, hello world. That's it, really, that's your entire first program. It doesn't get much simpler than that, does it? Let's break it down. The word print is a function in Python. A function is a block of reusable code that performs a specific task. In this case, the print function outputs the text message that is passed in within the parentheses. The text, hello world, is what we call a string in Python. A string is simply a sequence of characters. It could be a word, a sentence, or even a whole paragraph. In Python, strings are always enclosed in quotes. When you run this program, Python executes the print function and displays the string hello world on your screen. This is your program communicating with you, a little like saying its first words. Now take a moment to appreciate what you've just accomplished. You've written your first Python program, a rite of passage for every programmer. It's a small step, but it's a step on a journey that can lead to many exciting places. Congratulations on writing your first Python program. Well done on taking your first step into the world of Python programming. We've covered a lot today, so let's quickly recap. We started by understanding why Python is so popular among programmers. Its simplicity and versatility make it a go-to language for both beginners and experts. Next, we dived into the installation process, a straightforward task that gets your system ready for Python programming. And then the exciting part, we wrote our first Python program together. Remember how we printed Hello Python on our screens? That was your first step into the vast universe of Python. As you move forward, I encourage you to practice. Write more programs, play around with Python, and make mistakes. That's how you learn. Try to solve problems and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep coding, and you'll be a Python expert in no time.